Hey guys, so if you're new to Central Texas or to this part of the country, you'll kind of realize in the fall what our grass is starting to do, especially October, November time. Most of the grasses around here are a southern variety, and we do get cold enough for it to go dormant. And what it does is starts turning brown. It's kind of like hibernation mode. So your grass isn't dying, it's nothing wrong with it. You can actually start reducing the amount of irrigation that you put on it. But it's a common question we get that something's wrong with it, when actually it's just doing what it's in its genetics and what it's designed to do. Once we get in these nighttime temperatures in the 50s and the daytime start kind of coming down with a shorter daylight time, it starts triggering that dormancy mode. It'll start slowing down on the growth and it'll start turning brown. Again, nothing wrong with it, nothing to worry about, and it'll green up back in the spring and be ready to go. Normally once that March, April time frame is when it starts coming back. But if y'all have any questions, just leave it in the comments below and we will get it answered. Thanks a lot.